Split AC not cooling? Easy fixes explained step by step. If your split AC isn't cooling, first check simple things: dirty air filter, blocked outdoor unit, wrong thermostat settings, cool mode, temp lower than room, or tripped breaker. If these aren't the issue, you might have a refrigerant leak, frozen evaporator coils, or a bad fan, compressor, requiring a professional technician for repairs like recharging or component fixes. Here are simple fixes: DIY, clean or replace air filter. A clogged filter blocks airflow, making the unit work harder and cool poorly. Clean it monthly or replace it. Clear outdoor unit. Remove leaves, dirt, or debris blocking the condenser unit to ensure proper heat exchange. Check thermostat. Ensure it's set to cool, the fan is on, auto, and the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature. Check circuit breaker. A tripped breaker can cut power, reset it if tripped. Check vents. Make sure indoor vents aren't blocked by furniture. Issues requiring a technician. Low refrigerant, leaks. If refrigerant is low, the system can't cool effectively. A leak needs professional repair and recharging. Frozen evaporator coils. Ice on indoor coils indicates restricted airflow or low refrigerant. The unit needs thawing and diagnosis. Dirty coils. Dusty evaporator or condenser coils reduce heat transfer efficiency. Faulty fan motor. A slow or broken indoor fan won't circulate cooled air. Compressor problems. Issues with the compressor, the main cooling component, require professional repair. Electrical issues. Problems with capacitors, fuses, or control boards often need an expert. When to call a pro: if basic checks don't work, especially if you see ice on coils or suspect a refrigerant issue, contact a qualified HVAC technician.